Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. Over here I have the Casio A1000 and I'm gonna show you how to set the time and date. Let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna show you how to switch between 12 or 24-hour timekeeping mode. So, whilst in the standard timekeeping mode, press the lower right button and as you can see I'm shuffling between my date time representation. So you have 24-hour time representation and 12-hour format because it's PM, it's indicated PM in the digital display. I'm gonna leave it at 24-hour time format. Now let's get to the settings part. So the watch is basically telling the time. From this mode, press the lower left button once, twice, and when the seconds begin to flash, that is the 3 times, you are in the position of setting your watch or your time and date. Now, first in a row of settings is setting our seconds value. You cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset that value by simply pressing the lower right button and it will go to 0. Next up, press the upper left button and the flashing moves on to our hour value. Pressing this button over here will shuffle your hour value in increments of 1 to 24, and I'm gonna leave it at 23 since it is time in my time zone. Next up, again press the upper left button and the minutes begin to flash. Now we can see that the number 19 is flashing and in my time zone it is 24:25 minutes, and I'm gonna press this button to get to number 25. If your minutes value is way out of the current value, press and hold the button over here and it will engage fast rotation. Once you let it go, it will stop. So I will let it go and it will stop. So I will set it to 26 in this case, and I'm done with my minutes setting. Press the upper left button again and now you are in the position of setting your month value. Number 11 is flashing, indicating the month of November. I can again press the lower right button to shuffle between month value, and I'm gonna leave it at number 11 since it is correct. Once I'm done with that, again press the upper left button and we have the number 20 flashing in this case. Today is November the 19th, but I'm gonna press the lower right button until I get it to number 19 so I can set my day correctly. And there it is. Next up, press the upper left button again and you are now in the position of setting your day of the week. It says it's Sunday, but today is Saturday, so again I'm gonna press the lower right button until I get it to Saturday. Again, once you're done with that, press the upper left button and we are back at the beginning and setting our seconds value, which means that we have run through the cycle of setting our time and date. Once you're done with it, simply press the lower left button and you are now in the standard timekeeping mode and your watch is set. Thank you very much for watching. This time it was how to set the time and date on the Casio A1000.